Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI cash clone, you need to watch this first. Because this system claims it can clone profitable AI pages, automate content and help beginners earn online without showing their face. But here's the real question. Is AI cash clone actually useful, or just another hyped-up MMO product? In this honest AI cash clone review, I'll break down exactly how it works, who it's for, what's inside, the real benefits and how to get my $3,000 plus bonus bundle free if you decide it's right for you. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back. If you're struggling with finding products to promote, creating content consistently, getting traffic without ads, or just feeling overwhelmed by MMO strategies, this review may save you a lot of time and money. No hype, just a clear breakdown. What is AI Cash Clone? AI Cash Clone is a make-money online system designed to help you replicate proven AI-powered content setups that are already working on platforms like Instagram. Instead of creating content from scratch, writing captions, guessing what works, or building complicated funnels, AI Cash Clone focuses on simple replication plus automation, using AI tools and proven templates to speed everything up. It's built with beginners in mind and doesn't require tech skills, video creation, paid ads, or prior experience. Benefits: why people are interested. Here's why AI Cash Clone is getting attention. No face, no camera, perfect for people who don't want to appear on camera. AI-assisted content. AI helps generate captions, personas and posting ideas, saving hours. Beginner-friendly workflow. You follow a step-by-step process instead of guessing. Organic traffic focus, designed around free traffic methods, especially social platforms. Scalable framework, built to expand once you understand the basics. This isn't about shortcuts, it's about simplifying execution. Inside AI Cash Clone, what you actually do. Here's the simple workflow. Choose a high-converting product, use AI personas and templates provided, post content using copy-paste captions, drive organic traffic and track what works and repeat. The system is designed so you're not reinventing the wheel. You're following a framework that's already mapped out. Results depend on consistency and execution, not magic. Honest pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly, no paid ads required. AI saves time, clear structure and great for faceless marketing. Cons: not instant results, requires daily action and best for people willing to learn basics. If you want push-button income, this isn't it. If you want a simplified system, it makes sense. If you grab AI Cash Clone through my link, you'll also get my exclusive $3,000 plus bonus bundle free. Here's what you get. Bonus 1. The Product Finder Blueprint. Value: $497. First 50 only. Step-by-step guide to finding high-converting ClickBank products in 10 minutes, including perfect product checklist, gravity score secrets and how to avoid dead offers. Bonus 2 to 215 copy-paste captions. Value: $697. Ready-to-use captions across multiple niches. Copy, paste, post, no writing required. Bonus 3. Free traffic cheat sheet. Value: $297. 7 methods to get unlimited Instagram traffic without ads. Bonus 4. AI Setup Template Pack. Value: $597. 5 pre-built AI personas with names, bios and personalities. Instructions for AI face creation. Bonus 5. The Scaling Checklist. Value: $497. First 30 only. Step-by-step system to scale once you're profitable. Bonus 6. Complete Troubleshooting Guide. Value: $397. Fix common issues. Low engagement, no sales and account flags. Bonus 7 30-day content calendar. Value: $697. Done for you. Posting schedule with captions, hashtags, and timing. Bonus 8 to 72 hour quick start. Value $197. Fast action plan to get your first commission quickly. Total bonus value $3,000 plus. Free. So, is AI Cash Clone worth it? If you want a structured, beginner-friendly MMO system focused on AI+ organic traffic, then yes, it's worth considering. And with my $3,000 plus bonus bundle, you get everything you need to get started faster and avoid common mistakes. Click the link in the description below. Grab AI Cash Clone, unlock my bonuses, and start building your AI-powered income system today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next review.